BUCS Bridge is for first-generation college students and students from underrepresented backgrounds coming into college their first year. BUCS stands for Building Unity and Cultivating Success. And the bridge comes from the concept that we're trying to help students connect their life as a student from high school to college. And it's very much a transition program. We offer current students to be peer guides and check in with students, offer their own practical real life experience as advice for new students for what to do or what not to do, where to find things, what's gonna make your life easier, what did they wish that they knew. And they do that all year long with the first year students so that they can be more successful in college.
We focus on 3 areas. The first one being building community, identity development, and college navigation. We set it up where students are able to interact with faculty and staff before first year orientation starts, in knowing the cultural norms of Whitworth University inside the classroom experience and outside the classroom experience.
Students all the time talk about how wonderful it was to be a part of BUCS Bridge, and the friendships that they got out of that were so critical to their well-being in their first year of college.
Just that relationship part as a freshman coming in, I feel like is very important, and these staff and faculty are just with us, supporting us, and I really think that's a really cool part of BUCS Bridge. So
I wanted to be a peer guide because I did this program last year. I was one of the proteges that came in last year, and I love this program so much, and I wanted to give new proteges, newcomers, that same experience because I found so much meaning to it, and I really had a good transition into college.
It's all about being students to students, and we're very honest with the college experience, and they can open up to us about anything. So we go deep with our conversations, and it's always the peer guides sharing our experiences first. So it's very much more just peer-to-peer, student-to-student, rather than like a facilitator just giving you instructions. So bonds are built throughout the week and throughout the year and beyond.
Setting the tone for their year is one of the biggest ways we impact students' experiences for their first year. I believe that BUCS Bridge is a program that's going to continue to make that impact and be a part of Whitworth's tradition, and it's something that's a part of our fabric.